We guide you through how to recall an email in Outlook. So the first thing you need to do is to open Outlook and go to your Sent Items folder. Then double click the email you want to recall to open it in a new window. Next, go to the top menu and click File, then select Info and choose Message Resend and Recall. After that, click Recall this message. Now, you'll see two options, either delete unread copies of the message or delete unread copies and replace it with a new one. Choose what fits your situation. And if you want to be notified, tick the box that says Outlook will tell you if the recall succeeds or fails. Then click OK. And if you selected Replace, edit your message and resend it immediately. But keep in mind this only works if both you and the recipient are using Microsoft Exchange within the same organization and if the email hasn't been opened yet. Otherwise, the recall may fail. So always double check emails before sending to avoid needing this feature.